Well, you're goddamn right. It's another fucking tuna melt. All right. Start off with 2 cans of solid white albacore in the drained and put in the bowl there. And buy the solid white albacore. It's like 50 cents more. Don't be a broke fucking bum. Add a 1/4 cup of mayo. This should provide about 2 or 3 sandwiches, depending. You want a 1/4 diced red onion. So, somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of red onion. You want 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of relish. Dill pickle relish, to be specific. And then you want to add a little splash, about a tablespoon of lemon juice to this. You can optionally, because I think I forgot it, you can optionally add a 1 stalk of celery that you chopped up. You want to add about a teaspoon of Dijon. And you want to have about a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. And yes, I use the stuff out of the jar just to piss off some fat loser sack of shit that wears a corncob costume. You know who you are. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then just mix this together, and we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, let's start cooking. Like I said, from start to finish, this should take you about 5 minutes. So on the griddle, I've got some bread going. Obviously, I've laid the butter side down. Now it's time to lay some Swiss cheese on top of that. And I think I gave the Swiss a little bit of time to start heating up. Okay, so after about 20 seconds, time to add the filling. Like I said, a little bit of time. Not much, because this shit will burn on you like crazy. Put some of that filling on there. Okay, and now it's time to add the second cheese, and this time I just went with good old-fashioned American. Hey, sometimes it's the best cheese for the job. And then top with the other bread, and I don't know, I think I let this go for maybe another minute before I flipped it. Okay, and then just give this a flip. Once you feel like the other side's done, you know, a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. And then do up the other side. You can maybe add a little water to it to get some steam to melt that cheese. But, yeah, outside of that, we'll be back for assembly. Okie dokie. And that's basically it. Gonna cut the sandwich in half here, and since I was really fucking hungry and the sandwich was really good, I basically couldn't help myself and I just started devouring it. Alright, and that's another goddamn tuna salad sandwich. Done.